On the Canon imageRUNNER 2425, the Scan and Store option for scanning to a USB drive is disabled. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable it through the printer's IP address and get it working again. The Canon imageRUNNER 2425 includes a Scan and Store feature. To start, connect the printer to the computer using a network cable. At this stage, you need to connect the printer to the computer using its IP address through the network. To log in, enter your password. If you haven't set a password, enter the default password, 7654321. Here you need to enter an IP address. You can use the IP address we enter. Here you need to enter an IP address. You can use the IP address we enter. Now, connect the IP address to the computer according to the instructions. Make sure to enter the printer's IP address. Only change the last number to a higher number. For example, change 111 to 112. Now the printer is connected to the computer through the network. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now enter the printer's IP address here. You don't need an internet connection. You can do this completely offline. Enter your username and password again. The default password is 7654321. Now open Settings or Registration. Now open Store or Access Files. Now open Memory Media Settings. Now check both options to enable them. Now to complete the process, turn the printer off and on again. Now connect your USB drive to the printer and open Scan and Store. Now select Scan and set the scan settings. Now check that the scan works properly and everything is functioning correctly. The file will also be saved to your USB drive after scanning. As you can see, the Scan and Store option is now fully enabled and working properly on the Canon imageRUNNER 2425. You can now scan your documents and save them directly to your USB drive. By enabling the memory media settings through the printer's IP address and restarting the printer, the disabled Scan and Store function is restored. Everything is now working correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.